Hey Daniel, thank you for clicking on my video today. Today I want to talk about three different things. First thing I want to talk about is content. Second thing I want to talk about is backlinks and keywords. Third thing I want to talk about is citations. Now, but before we get into that, my name is Joshua Gutierrez. I enjoy helping small business owners and scaling their business. So with that, let's get to it. When you type in electrician Albuquerque, New Mexico, I tried to locate your your business, and it is currently in the 55th position of Google as we type this in. Now let's take a quick look at your website and see how nice it looks. So let's take a quick peek here. Oh, okay, I really like your logo over here. I like the way this pops out. And this tab here, request for a free estimate. Let's see, I like these pop outs. You have some content here, and you have these really nice clickable icons here that we can click on. But what Google really looks for is content. Now, Google really loves 1,500 to 2,000 words of content in your homepage. So let's kind of take a look and see what you got. Okay, you got 331 words of content. Now, as we said before, Google really loves 1,500 to 2,000. So let's kind of take a look at your competitor and see kind of what they have. And again, we typed in electrician, Albuquerque, New Mexico, and they are on the 4th position, which is Wagner Mechanical. Now, you see Angie up here. We can definitely outrank those. Now, the reason why that they're on top of Wagner and they're beating Wagner is they're showing rank at a national level. So, in order to beat them, all we got to do is focus and target on the keywords and content for your service area. So with that, let's take a look at their website. And from the looks of their website, they got about 700 keywords, or excuse me, 700 words of content. So let's kind of take a look here. Let's kind of see what they got. Okay, remember yours had 331. Let's see how much content they got. And 746, so they need work as well. I mean, if we put 1,000 words in there, we could definitely beat them on content. So with that, that's about all I have for you in content. Second thing I want to talk about is backlinks and also your keywords. So there's this tool. It's called Ahrefs. I pay a monthly fee for this. Anybody could buy it. You could purchase it yourself. So if you so choose. So anyway, I took the liberty of plugging in your website, ecoelectricgroup.com. And basically, what we want to look for is it shows the UR and DR of your website. This is actually a live view of your website. So basically, the UR just shows the strength of your website. So you have a pretty strong website. 41 out of a scale of 100. That's pretty good. Now the DR right here shows the strength of it. What Google looks at as far as backlinks. So you have 1.3K backlinks tying to this. Now it's not very strong, and I'll explain right now. Now here's your competitors, Wagner Mechanical. Now they have a DR, or excuse me, a UR not as powerful as yours. You actually, their DR is ranking. That this right here is what makes them rank because they got all these organic backlinks that are backlinking to them. So that's the reason for that. You have all these backlinks that ain't even going to say your website. They're going to like maybe, for example, like a Pizza Hut or something. So that's kind of how that works with backlinks and the organic keywords. You have 16 organics, which isn't very much. Like I said, we're up there. We're very down in the 75th position. They're showing 121 organic keywords. So the cool thing about this is that we can click on their organic keywords and we have access to everything. So all we have to do is plug in see what their keywords are, and kind of plug in everything that they're using on theirs. So basically, in a nutshell, that's pretty much what backlinks and keywords have to do with your website and whatnot. And Google loves, they also tell us about this. Also tells us about search volume and the KD, how powerful each keyword is. So with that, we'll jump to the third thing. That's about all I have for you on point number 2. So the third thing I want to talk about is citations. Now, if we go back, okay, now like I said, we plug in electrician, Albuquerque, New Mexico, and go all the way down. Okay, now this up here, it's called the map pack. Now this is kind of where these 3 positions is kind of where you want to be. Donald Electric, they are probably up here because they completed their profile 100%, maybe save their proper keywords to different things. So that's basically what you want to do to outrank these guys without having to pay for Google Ads or anything like that. So in a nutshell, that's pretty much all a business is, or excuse me, all citations is you just put these citations with your business, and it's just basically like a digital phone book to your business. So that's what gets you up here. Now and down here, again, I'll explain. You want to really rank organically, is you really want to do what these guys are doing, Wagner, down here. So that's pretty much it. That's pretty much all I have for you, Daniel. I hope this comes to great value to you. It's free. You could do whatever you want with it. Um, if so, you can always call me, and we can work together, and I could help you achieve your goals and help you to be on top of the list. We can always beat Yelp, like I said, using the proper keywords and focusing on the service area. So with that being said, I hope the rest of your day is good to you. And with that, I hope I hear from you soon. Thanks again. Bye.